Please, I want us to take a look at the couple. This is a wonderful combination. This combination is beautiful. Chica is color television. Ogavi, big boy. I don't know how many of you see the way Ogavi they dance. No stress. Money is good. When you dance, money is good. Oh my God. It's not the way. Man, did you see the way he was dancing? Beautiful. See the house, the best man, sharp. See the chief bridesmaid, sharp. This kind of woman, as beautiful as she is, I tell people it is important you marry a beautiful wife. And Daddy, I want to say congratulations. Daddy, your gene is very strong. Daddy, do you have another daughter? Another one, she's free. This kind of woman, if you want this kind of woman, you can use her to collect loan from the bank. Because she's a living collateral. Hello? See, there are benefits of marrying a beautiful wife. When you marry a wife like this, that is fine. Even when she annoys you, now you go to tell her, baby, I am sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. And I tell people, you know, women like this don't stay long in labor. Money is good though. Rich women don't stay long in labor. They want to put to bed, they'll just travel to Canada, US, UK. You see the hospitals are like hotel. The nurses are like hair hostess. Come on, madam, push. When they begin watch, she said, UK, don't come out. People like us, we stayed in the stomach 3 days, not because we don't want to come out, it's in location. Madam, push, you want to come out, you see village, you run, go inside. That is why if you notice, the way Ajabo children cry is different from Agbo children. Their cry is like Celine Dion track 3. You don't hear something that's people like us, our cry is like engines. Our parents will now say, Ojuju Kalama. Seriously, children are enjoying. You see them wearing fitted jeans, small jeans, 5,000. People like us, when we were young, our parents would buy trousers and fold it into 5 places. As you are growing, they release one. You are growing, they release another one. Until they give it to your junior brother. A round of applause for ourselves. So quickly, I'm working according to Mr. Chairman's instruction. Do we have any cola? If we don't have, we can move forward. Okay, we're going to cut the cake right now. So we have a beautiful cake here. We're going to cut the cake. S. Please, a round of applause.
To the bride and groom, to Victor and Cassandra, this is wishing you a blissful married life. We pray for children, we pray for resources, and we pray for good health. To Victor and Cassandra.
Hip, hip, hip. Are we ready? Roots in front. 1, 1.5. Yes, sir. 2. Inside every spirit, every delay. 2.5. You will not marry that. 2.5. Father, we thank you. Are you ready? 2.5. Receive your man. I don't need to call the number. Receive your man. 2.5. Receive your man. And 3. My sister. The Bible says do not be worried for anything. is a shower from God. Are you surprised? Don't cry. Behave yourself. Don't cry. See, madam, you are not ready. Behave yourself. I know you are. That is how they will come. Somebody should stand behind her.
She's already crying. Somebody give me tissue.